Hey guys, Jordy from Vhedia here. Just a quick video on how to switch between two devices for CarPlay. So first what we're going to do is we're going to connect the head unit to Bluetooth for our first device. So you want to make sure that on your iPhone, or this would work for Android device as well, is that your Bluetooth is on. Then we're going to go to the search function and just find our device. We're going to select, it's going to give us a pairing request. Don't worry about the numbers, just select pair, and then you can put whether you want to allow your contacts or not. And then you'll see that it will start loading on the screen. Make sure that if this settings pops up connecting to CarPlay that you press connect, otherwise it will not work. It will take a minute for it to connect first automatically, but then after that, anytime you jump in the car, it should go automatically. Now, say we were going to have someone else jump in the car, they want to connect to their phone, use their phone for their music or whatnot. So you're going to go to settings, network and internet, and just turn the Wi-Fi on. Then you are going to go to connect your second Bluetooth. So you're going to go to Bluetooth, search, make sure it's on your phone, select your device, and then it will come up with your pairing request again. Just select pair, allow if you want the contacts to come up, connect to CarPlay, and it will connect your second device. Any questions, just reach out to us. We have live chat on our website. Leave us a comment here, or you can send us an email.